Mansukh Prajapati. He's basically he started as a grassroots innovator, but now he's an entrepreneur. With the help of NIF, the fridge that he made, the NIF, they redesigned it, and now it can be purchased from the market around 3,000 rupees. So now the Mansukh Prajapati is an entrepreneur. So
like spending 3,000, you said that the things can be stored for 2 to 3 days.
Yeah.
What about the other days then? Oh, it has some,
No, ma'am. Actually, the fridge has been made from clay, so the quantity can be, it can be stored for 2 and 3 days. So it can be consumption can be done within 2 and 3 days.
They're spending 3,000 for just 2-3 days. Then what after?
Ma'am, actually, this is the actually, ma'am, they made a fridge for the bottom of the pyramid, because they can't be, keep the things for 10 days. As you can see that, it's basically they are fulfilling the dreams of the people who cannot afford the fridge. Because as a middle class family or the upper class family, they can afford fridge, but the bottom of pyramid, they always dreamed of purchasing that. So to fulfill their dream, they just made a fridge so that they can also get a taste of it.
And the success stories which you mentioned are only 2. And you said in the beginning that there's a research gap as far as the empirical part is concerned. So what flavors you've added here? In terms of empirical part?
Ma'am, basically, I've connected social entrepreneurs with the grassroots entrepreneurs, which is social entrepreneur itself a different thing. Basically, it's in the literature, it's been so much confusion what exactly the social entrepreneurs. Everyone, after Muhammad Yunus in 2006, when they received a Nobel Prize, everyone claiming themselves as a social entrepreneurs. So non-profit, for-profit, philanthropy, they all are saying that they are social entrepreneurs. I'm just trying to connect it social innovators, because I think all the people who are doing good for the society or who are working hard to eliminate the social problems are social entrepreneurs.
The last question, any success stories from the global scenario?
Rural scenario.
This type
Ma'am, actually these are the...
Jugaad only happens in India?
Yes, ma'am. Actually it's a Hindi term, so I think it's...
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.